Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Google Drive not working or not syncing issue on iPhone. So if you are also facing the same problem, don't worry, just follow the methods discussed in this video. So the very first method is to restart your phone. So for that, you have to go to the general, go below, and here you can see shutdown. Simply click on it, and after that restart your phone. And once your phone restarts, now check if Google Drive syncing issue is resolved or not. If not, next is to exit Drive and reopen again. So if Google Drive is open in the background, you have to simply close it, and after that check if the issue you're coming across is resolved or not. If not, next is to check the server status of Google Drive. So I have already provided the link in the description. You just have to go through it, and here you can check if there is any server downtime of Google Drive. So as you can see from here, you can easily check whether the Google Drive server status is downtime or so. If there is any server downtime, this green circle will be not labeled as green. So from this you can easily ensure that Google Drive is facing some server problem. So you can easily check this. I have already provided the link in the description, and after that check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, next is to check storage of Google Drive. So for that you have to go to the Google Drive, open it, and after that click on 3 line over here, and after that click on storage, and here you will get the storage of your Google Drive. So check if there is less space, you have to delete some unused apps or data or content, and after that check if Google Drive is syncing on your iPhone or not. If not, next method is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If there is any kind of internet connection problem, then the Google Drive will stop syncing and it will show error. So if you are using Wi-Fi, you can move to mobile data or do vice versa, or even you can enable airplane mode for some time and again disable it, and after that check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, next is to check Google Drive update. So for that you have to go to the App Store, and in the search option you have to search for Google Drive. So search for Google Drive update. Here you have to check if the app needs any kind of update, and if there is an update available, update your Google Drive to the latest version, and after that launch it and check whether the problem is fixed or not. If not, next is to delete and re-add your account. So for that you can easily do it. For that you have to go to the settings. After that, here you have to search for mail, open it. After that click on mail accounts. After that click on Gmail, and here you have to delete your account. So simply click on the delete option, and after your account is deleted, you have to again add it and then check whether the problem you are coming across is resolved or not. If not, next is to check for iOS update. So for that, go to settings, and after that here you have to go to general, then click on software update, and here you have to check if there is any OS update available. If yes, update your iOS to the latest version, and after that check if the Google Drive not syncing problem is resolved on your iPhone or not. If not, next is to reinstall Google Drive. So if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall it. So for that you have to first delete the Google Drive. So for that, click and hold Google Drive over here. Now click on remove app, and then click on delete app. After you have done this, again go to the App Store, and in the search option here you have to search for Google Drive. Search for Google Drive, and simply you have to install it once again, and after installing it again check if the problem is fixed or not. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to use the web version of Google Drive. So simply go through the web version that I have already provided in the description. Simply click on the link, and after that you can access your Google Drive without any further issues. So by this way you can easily fix Google Drive not working or not syncing issue on your iPhone. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.